Hello dear students, my name is Lucky Ahuja and I am your EVS teacher. So, I will be teaching you EVS of class 4th. So, we are going to start today and you are going to learn many interesting chapters in your EVS course. So, let's start with your chapter 1. The name of your chapter 1 is Childhood Memories. So, you people are in your childhood and you are enjoying your childhood, I must say, and everyone is having this special time of life and he or she enjoys that time. So, there are many memories which we keep in our brain and we revive them often. So, we will talk about these childhood memories today. So, let's start with the part 1 of childhood memories. So, in this part we will learn that our maternal grandmother's house, what happens. So, in this chapter we will learn the story about Sunita. So, Sunita went to her grandmother's house, maternal grandmother's house, we call her Nani. So, you also have gone to your Nani's place. So, in this part we are talking about Sunita's Nani's place. So, Sunita went to her maternal uncle's home to spend her summer वेकेशन. जैसा कि आप लोग भी जाते होंगे अपने समर वेकेशन में यानी गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में अपने मामा के घर या अपनी नाना नानी के घर. तो ऐसे ही सुनीता गई अपने मैटरनल ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के घर या अपने मैटरनल अंकल यानी मामा के घर. Mamaji's son Ankur and Sunita are age mates. So, Mamaji was having a son and his name was Ankur, and Sunita and Ankur are of same age. So, they are cousins and they are of same age. Sunita's maternal aunt lives in a nearby village. So, Sunita's maternal aunt यानी मौसी वो कहाँ रहती हैं? पास के ही एक गांव में रहती हैं. Her elder daughter Anita. So, Sunita's maternal aunt's elder daughter Anita has also come to her Nani's house to spend her holidays. So, there were 3 children, like first was Sunita, whose story we are talking about. The second one was Ankur, who was Sunita's maternal uncle's son, and the third one was Anita, and Anita was Sunita's maternal aunt's daughter. तो 3 बच्चे जब नानी के घर में हो जाते हैं तो बहुत मस्ती करते हैं जैसा आप लोग भी करते होंगे. तो इनने क्या किया? So what did all these 3 were doing in their maternal grandparents' home? Let's see. So, Nani ji was saying something. What did she say? Anita, today I'll make pickle and teach you also how to make it. तो नानी जी ने कहा आज मैं अचार बनाने जा रही हूँ. पिकल मीन्स अचार. आप सबने खाया होगा, सबको अच्छा लगता होगा. सो आई मेक पिकल एंड टीच यू ऑल्सो हाउ टू मेक इट. सो अनीता को नानी ने कहा कि मैं तुम्हें भी आज अचार बनाना सिखाऊंगी. आई हैव टॉट योर मदर ऑल्सो. नानी हैज़ ऑल्सो टॉट अनीता's mother how to make pickle. Anita said, yes Nani ji, mom makes very good pickle. So, Anita said, yes my mother makes very good pickle. My neighborhood auntie also invites mother to make pickle. अनीता ने बताया कि मम्मा बहुत अच्छा अचार बनाती हैं और जो पास में आंटी हैं, हमारे पड़ोस में आंटी हैं, वो मम्मा को कई बार बुलाती हैं अचार बनाने के लिए. वो उन्हें इनवाइट करती हैं यानी उन्हें कहती हैं, न्योता देती हैं कि आओ और मेरे घर मेरे साथ मिलकर अचार बनाओ. नानी जी, what else have you taught Ma? So, Anita asked that besides making pickle, what else have you taught her? What else have you taught my ma? As she came to know that the process of making pickle was taught to her mother by her mother, which means her Nani. So, she asked, what else have you taught my ma? So, Nani ji answered the question of Anita. She told her that beta, when your mother was a child, she was very fond of playing and studying. So she was very fond of two things, one was playing and the other one was studying. Then I did not ask her to work much, but as she grew up, I started seeking help from your ma. So when the mother of Anita was younger, she didn't ask her to do other works besides playing and studying. But when she grew up, Nani asked Anita's mother to work and help her in different works of home. Mausi and Mama for household work. So there were three children of Nani, Ma, Mausi and Mama, and she asked all the three children to help in household works. You must also help your parents in different household works, whether you are a boy or a girl. You should start helping your parents very soon. By helping me, they learned the work. So when these three children, when they were children, Ma, Mausi and Mama, they started helping her mother, which means Nani of Anita and Sunita, and then they learned the work. They started learning all the works related to household. So Anita said, Nani ji, Ma always asks me to study. Did you also do the same? So Nani ji was telling Anita what she taught her children, which means her mother, her Mausi and her Mama. Then Anita asked, Nani ji, Ma always asks me to study. Your mother must also have been asking you to study. So Anita was curious, did you also do the same? She wanted to know if the mother of her mother also do the same thing. यानी अनीता जानना चाहती थी कि क्या उसकी जो माँ है, उनकी माँ यानी कि उनकी नानी, वो भी हमेशा अपने बच्चों को यानी कि अनीता की माँ को और जो उसके मौसी और मामा थे उन सभी को पढ़ाई करने के लिए कहा करती थी. तो ये सवाल पूछा अनीता ने. लेट्स सी व्हाट नानी रिप्लाइड. सो नानी जी सेड, यस बेटा, बट एट दैट टाइम we did not realize the importance of studying so much, though I used to ask all my children to study. So Nani ji told her, at that time we were not aware about the importance of study, and actually we didn't realize about it, though she used to ask her children to study, but she was not aware about its importance. Then Anita asked, Nani ji, up to which standards have you and mother studied? तो अनीता को और थोड़ी जिज्ञासा हुई. She was very curious and she asked her Nani that up to which standards have you and mother studied? यानी नानी से पूछा कि आपने किस कक्षा तक, किस स्टैंडर्ड तक पढ़ाई की है और मेरी मम्मी ने, मेरी माँ ने किस स्टैंडर्ड तक पढ़ाई की है. So see what Nani replied. Nani ji said, Beta, I have studied up to class 5th. So Nani told her that I have studied only up to class 5th. In those days, we had to go to another village to study further. Then there was household work and work in the fields was also to be done. So Nani told her story that I was able to study only up to class 5th, and there were several reasons behind it, and one of them was that we have to move further to study beyond class 5th. We have to go to another village, and that was not easy in those times, and besides that there was very much work in both the places, like household work and फील्ड वर्क वॉज ऑल्सो देयर. आपके भी यहाँ पर कई बच्चे होंगे जिनको आप देखते होंगे कि हाँ, खेतों में भी काम करना है. जब भी हम खेती की बात करते हैं तो अभी बड़े अधिकतर काम करते हैं, बट नानी कहती कि हमारे समय में हम बहुत सारा काम किया करते थे, घर का भी और खेतों का भी. और उसके अलावा क्योंकि स्कूल दूर था, दूसरे गांव जाना पड़ता था, इसलिए वो 5th क्लास के आगे नहीं पढ़ पाई थी. बट योर मदर वॉज गुड एट स्टडीज. सो अनीता, your mother was good at studies. This was told by Nani to Anita. Along with the studies, so with the studies, she could manage market work also. So Nani told that your mother was very good at studies. So she used to study, and besides that, she used to manage the market works. She used to bring the things, the grocery and other required material for household, and all the market work was also done by your mother. तो बच्चे, आप लोगों के भी घर में बहुत सारे काम होते हैं, तो आपको ज़्यादा पढ़ाई करनी है. यू हैव टू स्टडी अ लॉट as you are going to make your future good by studies. So उसके अलावा आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपने पेरेंट्स की थोड़ी सी हेल्प करनी है. छोटी छोटी चीज़ आप कर सकते हैं. as told by Nani that she started seeking help from her children from a younger age, and then they were able to do many things besides study. So this was all about part first of your chapter 1, childhood memories. In next part we will be talking further that what happened in grandmother's house, maternal grandmother's or Nani's house, when Sunita, Anita and Ankur, all the 3 children were there together. So this was for today, and we will meet in next part. Thank you for watching.